Saan pupunta? Saan punta? Wow! Ano? Oh? It's time to shine. Mayroon daw meeting si Boss Lon at napirmahan na ang sekretong plano. Meron kaming paparating. Pero hindi ko pwede. Sobrang laking event na kailangan abangan ng bawat Pilipinong fan ng Dota 2. Dahil ito na ang mga sasabihin ko sa inyo, malapit na matupad ang pangarap nyo. Kami ang gagawa ng paraan. Merong paparating na isang napakalaking event sa sobrang laki. Pinirma na ni Lon daw kanina. Pero hindi ko nasasabihin. Change topic. At ako, natupad na ang pangarap ng mga Mineski Haterades. Nilabas na ang roaming 250 ni Jesse Balls, ang Bounty Hunter. At napakalambot creepers na naman ang lineup dito ng Gigabyte Mineski. Even the Jakiro on the side of MVP Phoenix, makunat yan. Last ban for MVP Phoenix will be the Broodmother. Viper ban naman for Gigabyte Mineski. So down to the last pick for both teams dito. Kulang na naman ang Mineski ng kanilang magiging hard carry or position 1. Samantala for MVP Phoenix, I think mid lane ang kulang nila rito unless they will play mid lane. Tingin ko Jakiro ang daing support. Beastmaster ang kanilang ewan ko, hindi ko magets ang line-upan ng mga K-pop boys natin, ng mga kaibigan nating K-pop, pero chill lang.
5 seconds remaining. Reserve time.
At ang mga mamaro sa chat, chill lang kayo. Anti-mage for MVP Phoenix. So that will be their position 1. Siguro mid lane Beastmaster to, off lane Doom, Undying Jakiro will be support. Bounty Hunter roaming for Gigabyte Mineski. Dazzle will be their hard 5. Wind Ranger mid, Tuskar off lane, and Mineski, they need to pick a position 1 hero that can counter anti-mage, especially if this game will go to the late game period. The only downfall I see on the MVP Phoenix lineup is
5 seconds remaining.
ano sila quadruple melee plus they have the Jack. Pretty decent pushing capability across that liquid fire. And of course, the inner beast ng aura ng Beastmaster, Undying with the Tombstone. Chill lang, depende sa kakainin ng Doom. Pero AM, of course, one of the best, if not the best, split pushing carry sa laro natin na to. So, Mineski, they need to take their time. Piliin kung ano magiging number 5 na. Alisin mo na yung camera at malapit na magsimula itong bakbakan natin. This is Gigabyte Mineski MVP Phoenix Game 2 for the Star Ladder TV Star Series 13. Patanggal na ng camera direct. Hindi pipili ng SF ang Mineski. They have Wind Ranger mid. Huskar. Hindi pwede rin yata. Pwede rin Huskar. At sa mga nagsasabi, si Sonson, Yop, outdrop tip talaga. Di ikaw na magaling mag-pick. And they will go for the Juggernaut. Mineski with the last pick, Juggernaut. At ang mga mamaru sa Twitch natin, bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Alam nyo, pwede nyo sabihin, tama kayo, pero sabihin nyo nang gusto nyo sabihin sa Mineki, pero nag-qualify na sila sa mga event. Ibig sabihin, may ginagawa pa rin silang tama. Hanggat ang sitwasyon nanonood ka at sila naglalaro, pwede mong isipin na mas magaling sila sa'yo, which is technically true. Kaya chill lang kayo, mga haterades. Nakainom naman kayo ng haterades, yan tataas na naman ng mga dugo nyo. Pero ito, back to the ball game. Can Mineski force game number 3 or will MVP Hot 6 repeat ang resulta ng first departure kahapon kung saan tinusori daw ng first departure ang Gigabyte Mineski. So silipin natin dito. Raging Potato ang Wind Ranger this time. QQ on that Juggernaut. Sabagay, si Juggernaut naman uy, pero maganda to. May Sentry Wards. Jesse Bash. Nakita niya kagad ang tatlo. Pero tatlo dito. Mukhang gusto nilang dumigma. Tignan natin. Actually, there are 5 heroes here on the side of MVP. Even the anti-mage medyo lang dito. So tignan natin kung what's the plan stand dito. Andito Mineski. They also have 4 heroes on this side. Tuskar, is now heading towards the top. And there is 12. Oh no, mukhang this could break out as a very big fight. Here comes the Undying. Nakikipaglaban siya dito mga kaibigan. Bounty Hunter is on the backside. Here comes the Juggernaut as well. Here comes the Wind Ranger. Nakikipagdigmaan. Oh my god. Snowball and Mineski. They will get the first blood. Raging Potato will go down as well. And it will end up as a 1-for-1 trade. MP being chased down. 2 more hit coming in from Jules. And they will not go for that chase instead. They will just settle for a trade. Samantala, Jakiro being chased down dito. Anti-Mage getting a Bounty Rune, Wind Ranger getting the Bounty Rune as well. Here comes the Snowball. Mineski, they will get their secondary kill. And that is a 2-for-1 trade going in favor of the Filipinos. At sabi nga ni Iisama sa kanyang post sa Reddit, alam mong pwede siya, na mas magandang makuha mo ang Bounty Rune at ma-first blood ka. Oo, delikado sila. Kasi pag na-first blood ka, uy, pero power shot, not hitting the target dito, pero harassment coming in from Raging Potato in this mid lane. And MP, well, ano bang CS niya? 0-for-0 siya dito. Medyo mahirapan siya sa tapatan nila, especially in the early goings dito. Another kill going in favor of Mineski, and it will be a Doombringer going down. Hindi ko alam kung saan namatay si Doom. Hindi, 1-for. Tingnan natin dito. Kakabakbakan mga kaibigan. Triley na Mineski. Hin, nakikipagsaksakan dito. Chukcha Senes, Chorba, and Jesse Bash will just shadow walk out of trouble dito. Ito na naman si QQ. Oh my god, tingnan natin. Here comes the Blade Fury. Blade Fury, pwede nila makuha, and that is a heal bomb. Kuku, naipit pa nila ang Doombringer dito. Doombringer popping that Scorcher. Lumalaban sa cancer mga kaibigan. But it will end up as a 3-for-1 trade. Juggernaut being down, pero tatlong mamamatay dito sa side ng MVP. And Mineski, this is a great start para sa kanila rito. At napaaga ang bakbakan natin dito. Wala pang 2 minuto, 8 kills across the map dito. EA, the stand-in for Gigabyte Mineski, will try to secure a rune. Here comes the Jack. Tingnan natin kung babato siya ng Ice Path. It will be a bounty rune secured on your Taskar. At alam natin, sabi nga ni Rio, ang kanyang filosofiya sa pagtataskar. Si Taskar ang isa sa mga hero. Hindi, Taskar nga. Sabi nga ni Rio, filosofiya nga ni Rio tungkol sa Taskar. Hindi daw matatalo sa lane ng Taskar. Imposibleng matalo. Lalo na pag 1-on-1. At kita mo naman, tinatangke-tangke lang ni EA. Sinusubukan siyang ibugaw ng Twin Head Dragon dito. Pero okay lang. Chill lang siya. Oh, tignan natin. Power shot hitting the Beastmaster, and he is now low on HP. Raging Potato is now level 4. Number 2 pagdating sa ating CS dito mga kaibigan. Juggernaut is 6-3 in terms of CS. Medyo nahihirapan siya rito. Itong si QQ Martin. And that is a Taskar going down on the off lane. Medyo tower dive dito, pero Jakiro also going down dito, so that is just an even trade. Still a very good trade going in favor of MVP, since it is a core for a support trade dito. Juggernaut not having the best laning phase dito. He is being harassed out by this Undying, pero oh no, delikado yan, Jer, bakit ka umatake? Pero nandito ang heal coming in from Mr. Jules Silicious Papaball, and they will force out a tombstone dito sa side ng MVP, and that is just a level 1 tombstone. Wind Ranger, now the leading hero in terms of network, dominating the mid lane matchup. Beastmaster, wala siyang magawa kung hindi padala ang kanyang aso para maglasin dito. Ang kanyang boar pala, ang kanyang boar. Baboy. Doombringer with a double mango build. Enchanted Mango, Undying now starting to get levels. Doombringer will secure a top rune. At Mineski getting another kill dito. Jakiro will also get a kill, and that will end up as a 1-for-1 trade, but now favoring the side of Mineski, since they will be able to take down that position 1 carry on the side of... Uy, pero delikado rito. Liquid Fire, dinadive dito, pero hindi siya mag-overcommit dito. 4-8 is the score. Raging Potato activating an invisibility rune dito mga kaibigan. Tignan natin kung makakakuha siya ng kill. 4 pa lang ang Beastmaster dito sa matchupan nila dito. At kitang-kita daw si Raging Potato. Tignan natin. Opia Level 4 Beastmaster up against a level 6 Wind Ranger. The action continues dito sa laban natin na to. Bounty Hunter, Anti-Mage is level 4. The Bounty Hunter is level 4 as well. And this is the problem for a very big problem on the side of MVP. 5 minutes into the game, Bounty Hunter now nearing level 6 or level level 5 dito. At kumukuha lang siya ng XP dito. So, ito na. They will plan to go for this kill, mga kaibigan. Tingnan natin. Here comes the Shroud. Blocking the path of Jakiro. There's the dual breath. But it will just delay the inevitable. And it will be another kill going in favor of Mineski. Now, the Bounty Hunter is now level 5. Nearing level 6. So, the track gold will come into play ng mas maaga sa laro natin na to. QQ is 21 and 5. 25 and 10 for AM. Beastmaster is 22 and 2. Here comes the Tombstone Pop, mga kaibigan. Oh my God, tinitira nila dito. Pero QQ with that Blade Fury, undying, napalaban na. Oh my God, tignan natin, medyo overextension si Kuku dito. And Kuku going down, Jesse Bash going down as well. And the Dazzle is low on HP, and he will go down as well dito. One more chop coming in for the Doombringer. Mapapatay kaya niya, pero hindi niya pupwersahin ng issue. There's ATP coming in, but the Tuskar now also going down. So Mineski, they will lose 3 on that particular engagement, and that is a very big win going in favor of MVP Phoenix. Silipin natin ang graph natin 6 minutes into the game. It is now heading towards that equilibrium, the equal part. Ito namang XP natin is now favoring MVP at the moment. And Beastmaster now level 6, and this is a very crucial time for MVP. Kailangan nila makuha yung kill dun sa unang cycle ng Roar in order for this Beastmaster to establish a control dito sa laro natin na to. Pero tingnan natin, kailangan niya ng backup dito para makakuha sila ng kill. Juggernaut now rotating towards the bottom lane. Meron siyang Power Threads, Mango, and Quelling Blade. At balak niya tumapat sa AM dito, pero ang dying nandito na rin. At talagang balak nila pahirapan ng buhay dito ni Mr. QQ. Top lane natin, Dazzle, nagpapalevel ang Dazzle na Jules, also nearing level 6. So tamang tempo lang para dito sa magkabilang natin. Network natin, Jay or the Raging Potato leading the game. He is now up with a Face Boots and Null Talisman plus Battle dito. Ito, nagdi-deward ang mga
Radiant's
kuya mo.
courier has been killed.
So double D-ward para dito. Double damage rune will be popped dito. Pero I don't think they will get a kill kay JD. Shard will miss. And EA, medyo boots na siya rito. Siya ang baba ng network niya. Siya ang pinakababa
Dire's
dito
bottom tower is
sa
under attack.
sa lahat ng core. Actually, mas mataas pa ang network ng Jakiro dito sa offlane ni EA. And EA, kailangan niyang mag-establish ng rito, ng maging stable ang laning niya. Siguro kaya siya nilipat dito sa top lane para makakuha siya ng XP. Dazzle of Jules going down dito with walang roar na kailangan, babe, but wala rin silang doom na nagamit doon. So free kill going in favor of MVP without any investment at all. Dito bottom lane natin, Juggernaut is low on HP. Pwede siyang dive in dito, Jakiro using that illusion to harass Liquid Fire. Beastmaster going down dito. Doom, mga kaibigan, nakipaglaban. Oh my God, this Doom, mga kaibigan, he will get a kill. It will end up as a double kill for Mr. March. Bounty Hunter going down as well. And that is a 2-for-1 trade still in favor of MVP. And 10 to 10 is now the score. Jakiro going down. Here comes the Snowball chasing the anti-mage dito. Tingnan natin kung aabutan nila. Shard will block Feby, pero cooldown will be available now, and hindi nila makukuha yung kill na yan. Kuku is now 3-2-2. Naku po, the forbidden number is now the score of Mr. Kuku. Isa pong senyales, hindi may paliwanag na enigma ang number ng 3-2-2.
Dire's top tower is under attack.
Wind Ranger now up with Point Booster. So pwede na yan. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging plano dito for Mineski. Beastmaster, he is number 5 in terms of network. At wala pa siyang real item dito. Hindi pa natin makita kung anong build ang gagawin niya rito. Samantala, Wind Ranger trying to do as much damage as possible dun sa tier 1 tower. Magkabakbakan naman dito sa bottom lane. Oh my god, nagkakabakbakan. Naipit na rito mga kaibigan. Here comes the heal coming in. Taskar is here. Undying is here. Bakbakan na mga kaibigan. Nagkatakbuhan portion na. San gugulong dito? Gumulong papunta. Anti-mage pwedeng mamatay pero hindi. Anti-mage will survive. Here comes the shallow brave cast on Mr. Kuku. Kuku with the Blade Fury. Walang mana ang Undying dito. Pero tignan natin kung aabutan nila. Track has been popped. Oh my god. Oh my god. And here comes the tower dive mga kaibigan. Kuku susubukong umabot pero dito na ang pulis pang kalawakan. Jay. Tignan natin kung ano gagawin ni Jay. Pero tinom siya sa mukha. Napakalungkot na buhay niya mga kaibigan. Calvento Pals, Chukchak, Chinese Chompa, Jay, dito ka lang! Tropa! I'ma help you, Snowball! Nakabalik na, Jakiro going down, JJ, tumatakbo mga kaibigan! Susubukan siya kabulin dito, mawawala na ang Doom, and Jay will survive! Ako naman, hahabol ako, power shot, kumama rito, oh no, Beastmaster is here, Roar is available, alam nila pwede nilang patayin si Jay dito, pero Jay popping, Roar has been popped, tignan natin, pero malayo ang backup dito, Jay, makakatakbo siya, Wind Run will be available in 1 second, pero this is a chase, Doombringer, susunugin kita, Raging Potato, taking, wala, naluto na yung patatas, and the Doombringer, now, on a dominating streak, he is now the leading hero in terms of network. Taskar is now level 6, so signan natin kung ano yung magiging galaw nila rito. Tier 1 tower in the mid lane will be taken down by MVP, so they will be the first one to take down a tower, and QQ, ang bola ay nasa kamay mo na.
Dire's middle tower is under attack. Radiant's top tower is under attack.
And EA, level 6 mga kaibigan. Tingnan natin kung saan ang lakad ni EA dito. Jules is now level 8. And this support of Mr. Jules, dumadami ang itema ng Kuya Jules mo rito. Ito na, Bounty Hunter. Here comes the track Dota mga kaibigan. Oh no, Calvento Pals will be available. Chukchak, Chinese Chorba, but the Crims is here. And they won't get the kill. And this might be a turnaround. Tumatakbo si Kuku mga kaibigan. Pwede mong isama ng wards. Isaman mo ang wards. Sinapak siya dito. And March now with a mega kill streak. And Jesse Bash. Jesse Balls mga kaibigan. Pwede siyang mamatay dito. Jesse, my friend. Heal. I'ma heal you. Heal me first. Okay. I'm alive. I'm still alive. Oh no. But the condition.
Radiant
Vision of the Crow
structures
mga
are
kaibigan.
fortified.
The Crow Vision. Tignan natin Beastmaster. Umiikot siya sa likod. Gusto niya
Radiant's
pumatay.
middle tower
Pero
is under attack.
Jesse Balls of Steel. Naka-wind run siya dito mga kaibigan. Ay, naka-shadow walk siya dito. They want this kill of the Jakiro. There's the toss. There's the track. Tignan natin na track Dota mga kaibigan. Hindi pa naroror. Oh my god. Pwede pang kabulin. Track Dota. Another track Dota. Tignan natin. Oh my god. And that is a turnaround. Napakaganda play. Coming in from MVP. Pero ito na si QQ. Wala siyang gagawin. Oh my god. Delikado ang Gigabyte Mineski dito mga kaibigan. Hindi sila makakuha ng kill. Pero ito si Hinmo kung pwede maging biktima. Here comes the snowball. Pakti naman. Tignan natin kung may shackling shot pa. Power shot diretso. And that will be a kill. Going in the way of the Potato Man. Raging Potato. (14 to 13). 13 minutes into the game. Suntukan. Baalog-bugan mga kaibigan. At ito, nagsama-sama technique sila rito mga kaibigan. Gusto nila patayin ng anti-mage. Anti-mage is number 3 in terms of network. Going for Battle Fury. At ito na. Natin kung yung paplanuhan nila na masama. Paabutan pa nila. Doombringer is here. Oh my god. Pumaposisyon mga kaibigan. Pinupwestuhan ng isang maganda. Shackle shot. Not connecting. Put the Walrus Punch is here. And they will take down the anti-mage. Taskar nanganganib. There's the Doom. They pop the Doom. Oh my god. That will end up as a 1-for-1 trade. Jay with the power shot. Dinahabol nila si Jesse Bash. There's the track Dota mga kaibigan. Jesse Bash being chased down pero I don't think mamamatay si Jesse Bash dito. Ipato mo na yung toss mo. And Jesse Bash again going down the walking. And 16 to 14 is the score. Makakalamang pa rin sa trade ng MVP dahil mas marami silang inaalat na resources dito. Kita mo naman kung gaano karami ang hero nila. Wala. 5 lang naman. Samantala si Kuku walang pakialam. Farm lang siya dito. Tama kasi kailangan nila paabutin ng late game to dahil sobrang lamang na yung kalaban nila. Doombringer, mayroon ng drums. So, nangunguna na siya sa network. Tapos meron pa siyang Hand of Midas. So, limpak-limpak na sa labi mga kaibigan. Corruption. Ang kamay ng corruption ay nandito kay MVP March. Meron dito na. Pero lugi sila eh. May hook kasi dito. Hindi nila, kaya alam na nandito silang lahat eh. Yellow engage sila rito. So, MVP, alam nila na nandito ang 5 ng Mineski heading towards that bottom lane. So, Anti-Mage will just easily split push the top lane at finish yung kanyang Fury para mas mapabilis pa lalo yung pagpo-farm niya rito. Samantala ito, shards. Medyo maasip si QQ. Ewan ko bakit niya tinatangkay yung mga creeps. Tinatangkay niya lahat. Tinatangkay niya. Kita mo, tinatangkay niya lahat.
Radiant's bottom tower
Ewan
is
ko.
under attack.
Sige, tangkay mo. Nilabas na ang shackle shot. Connecting, undying, overextending, and he will go down. Ice Spot is there. Here comes the Doombringer. Here comes the TP. There's the Shallow Grave. Nakakabakbaka dito. Baby blinking in. Pero maiipad sila ng Moonshard dito. Juggernaut going down without even popping yung kanyang Omni Slash dito. And Mineski, they already lose 2. Here comes the Shackle Shot connecting on the Doombringer. Ice Spot, nasa gitna. And Jesse Bash, mamamatay na rin dito. Mineski, they are about to lose 4. Tignan natin kung mag-overcommit pa rito. Lumalaban pa si Jay. Lumalaban pa si Potato Man dito. Hindi man lang nakapag Shackle Shot. Tignan natin. Oh no! At Mineski, dalawa na lang sila pero nakikipaglaro pa sila sa apoy dito. 19 to 15 is the score. Talagang gera kung gera. Wind Ranger now with 2,700 gold. Malapit niya makompleto ang Aghanim Scepter niya rito. Juggernaut is number 4 in terms of network. Here comes the Omni Slash. Blade Fury tried to get him and he will get that solo kill. Much needed kill. Going in the way of Kuku. EA, however, is now up with Power Threads and Stout Shield dito. Level 8 siya rito mga kaibigan. Tingnan natin kung makukuha nila. Here comes the Snowball. Track Dota mga kaibigan. And Anti-Mage going down. Medyo in-underestimate niya ang killing capability ng Tuskar, not realizing that the Bounty Hunter was also there to aid Tuskar with that kill. And that is a much needed kill on the side of Mineski. They managed to take down 2. Tignan natin kung makakarami pa sila rito. Fury is now, hindi, Claymore pa lang yan. Wind Ranger and Dazzle now under the cover of smoke. Merong Aghanim Scepter dito at mukhang sneaky Serna play coming in for Gigabyte Mineski. Tignan natin, here comes the power shot and mukhang knockout plays coming in from Mineski. Walang kaalam-alamang MVP dito and MVP they are on the top. They want this kill on Kuku and Kuku mga kaibigan, mabibig team sa club na naman and he is now with 5 deaths dito. Samantala Mineski, tamang laxer lang, huwag kang lalabas dyan. Masisipat kayo ng cards. Here comes the Shard. Medyo wala talagang alam-alam dito ang MVP at Mineski. They will get this free rush in exchange for the life of the Juggernaut and a tier 1 tower. Then the top lane, Jay, will get a hand on that Aegis of Immortality. Yes, Jivash is now level 8 mga kaibigan. Track will be set on that Anti-Mage and they might get this skill kung pipilitin nila, pero MVP now applying pressure towards the tier 2 tower top. Wind Ranger however trying to split push the bottom lane dito. Tignan natin kung ano mangyayari. AM is playing pre-farm dito sa mid lane, so 4-1 strategy applied here by MVP and QQ mga kaibigan. Si Kuku Martin na naman ang magiging biktima ng karahasan dito. Here comes the Wind Ranger, focus fire on that tier 1 tower and they will get a free tower. Pero andito na ang tropa-trompo. Oh my god, delikado na naman dito mga kaibigan. Pero makakatakas si QQ. Wind Ranger sa punta dito, mayroon siyang TP. He will get an illusion rune. So, tama lang. Silipin natin, network natin 9k for your Doombringer. And that is a almost 4k gold lead going in favor of Team MVP. Experience is 2,000 also in favor of MVP dito. Juggernaut nahuli ni Makinig. Oh my god, this Juggernaut is giving me cancer. Naku po, nagtago. Naku po, Juggernaut, why you do this? Here comes the Ice Bat. The roar has been popped. Here comes the TP. They want this kill on... Oy, but the Shallow Grave will be popped. Eto na si Jay with the Barena, boys. Here comes the Ice Shard. That will be a 1-for-1 trade. But Mineski, they are now on the engagement dito. They want this kill on the Doombringer. But can they chase? Mineski, Jay is chasing pero masyadong mabilis ang movement speed ng mga kalaban dito. Here comes the power shot. Wala silang aabutan. Tuskar will block that boy. And that boy is going down. No! And what a... Shards coming in from EA. They will get that kill and they will secure a dagger on your Tuskar. But then again, it is your position 1 Juggernaut taking the fall. But it is a win going in favor of Mineski since that is track gold para sa kuponan nila rito. And I think Jesse Bash kailangan niyang bumili dito ng Guardian Greaves.
Radiant's top tower is under
Bibili na siya
attack.
ng ano dyan. Maya-maya ng pero Jay, binabaray ng
Radiant
tier 1 tower
structures
dito.
are
Oh,
fortified.
napadagger out ang kuya mo. And may dagger na din si Jay. So this is good news for Mineski. They will now have that initiating power with that Wind Ranger dagger and shackle shot combination.
Radiant's top tower has been denied.
So I think Mineski medyo nakakakuha na sila ng momentum nila rito despite having still to face a Doombringer and Anti-Mage dito sa laro natin na to. Anti-Mage now up with Fury going for Bloods. Actually, walang problema yung Twitch namin. Yung internet nyo lang yung ano dyan. Sa YouTube, wala naman, hindi naman kami nag-YouTube eh. Hindi kami nag-YouTube mga kaibigan, mga Twitch boys kami. Juggernaut Fury is now up. So, lamang ng full Vladimirs dito ang AM over the Juggernaut. Pero, alam naman natin ang kakayahan ni QQ. Nakita na natin kung paano niya ginamit ang Juggernaut na to dun sa huling laban nila sa Fnatic to secure themselves the US of 8 trip dito. Samantala, here comes the Bounty Hunter. Here comes the Track Dota mga kaibigan. Iceback connecting. Meron mukhang di nila aabutan dito si Jesse Bash. Jesse Bash. Track has been popped. Wind Ranger now heading towards that mid lane. And Jules now up. Ang yaman ni Jules. Level 11 with Glimmer Cape. And Medallion. QQ again now with the Fury na farming pero wala pa rin siyang lifesteal dito. Vash just getting tabs dito sa Wolf. Titignan niya ang kung ma-out lang ba dito si So technically playing as bait na lang dito muna si Kuya QQ, samantalang gagawa ng solo play dito si Jay. I mean ng play si Jay and si EA dito. EA with the dagger, so double dagger sila, double D. Kaya na nila mag-initiate dito. Who knows, pero ito ang lamang dahil may hook, and that is Jay getting on his rune. Tuskar in the bottom lane. Tignan natin kung makakataka siya rito. May dagger ng Tuskar, so easy breezy lang siya dito and he will be able to escape. Hindi siya ma-detect dito. So Mineski now starting to split things up and starting to create space para sa mga teammates nila rito. QQ just farming the Ancient ang stock nila rito. So eto na, magsisimula nang umalagwa ang network dito for Mineski. This is a very good pickup for the Beastmaster, a Gem of True Sight with Necrobook level 2. Ibig sabihin yan, Breezy Boys, is total map control with the Hawk, with the Necro, with the Gem. Map control for Team MVP. Ang tanong, can Mineski find the opening? Ito, hinahabol nila Tinrak Dota. Tinrak Dota mga kaibigan. And Jay, pinapakita lang niya ang asim place by Jay. At hindi mo siya tatawagin si Jay kung di siya maasim. At ito mga kaibigan, tignan natin, hinabol, Wind Ranger nandito, tignan natin, binibait. Uy, pero Jay, hindi niya kakagatin na pa. Instead, he will try to go for power. Here comes the power shot. At andito, lumalapit ang MVP mga kaibigan, nagmamadali pa sila rito. Oh no! Yule Scepter mga kaibigan, mga kadagger pa. Wind run will be pop, but Jay will still go down dito. Medyo maasim na galaw for Jay. Hindi niya na inakala na meron ng Yule Scepter initiation dito ang Jakiro, and Jay being Jay, and that's what makes Jay special dahil siya ang double blade ng Mineski. Pwede siyang pantarak sa kalaban o pantarak sa sarili, mala suicide bomber squad ang kanyang galawan dito. Pero ito, umuumpensa na rito mga kaibigan ang MVP. They know they have the advantage. Here comes the shard, the track. Tingnan natin, Mineski, can they pop this? Here comes the Dazzle mga kaibigan. Roar will be pop on that Bounty Hunter. They will get 2 kills. Here comes the Snowball. Oh no, Tuskar will go down as well. Mineski, they will lose 4. And QQ Martin, walang pakialam sa kampe, walang pakialam sa kalaban. Bahala kayo dyan. Gusto niya yan, nagpaubos kayo. Ito ako, speed push tayo dito, Joe. Speed push big. Speed push ko lang dyan. Tier 3 ito binabasag namin. Oh my god, and Mineski, they are about to lose a set of rocks dito. Here comes ATV. Here comes the teleport. Juggernaut with the Blade Fury. Oh my god. Binarena ang Doombringer dito. Shards will try to block. Here comes the snowball going in. Wala siyang na-walrus punch. Naku po. Oh my God. Patay mga kaibigan dito si QQ. And here comes the ice pot setup again. Pero mawawa na. Oh no. The anti-mage blinking in. Blinking walang katulad. Napakaasim mga kaibigan. Tingnan natin. Normal si PB. Ito. Nagmamadali pa rito. Oh my God. Diba ang gusto nila rito? Walrus punch mga kaibigan. Track Dota will be deployed. Still. The fact remain na, another track. Here comes the snowball. Mukhang ito mga kailangan ng Mineski dito is to establish those track kill mga kaibigan. One more track and they track this. One track call. Hindi naka-track Dota, Jesse Balls. Track mo na. Yan, na-track na. And that will be another track kill going in favor of Mineski. Roar on Jay. Tignan natin kung aabutan. But Jay will just get a bounty rune and that is a secured Necro 3 book going in favor of MVP. And fight recap natin, Mineski winning in terms of gold, but the damage has been done. No melee racks in the mid lane. Gold is now in favor still of MVP.
Dyer's
5k
middle barracks are
ang
under
tinitignan natin dito. Ascar nandito. Alam namin ano yan eh. May gem of true sight dito. Oh no, pwede siya maleho. Maleho Mingay. Tignan natin. Tumatakbo dito si Jesse Balls mga kaibigan. At itong Wind Ranger. Andito rin ang ating mage. Oh my God, Mana Void! Dinom sa muka. At si Jay ay mamamatay. Godlike for that Doombringer. And again, the Raging Potato mamamatay ng walang kalaban-laban. Napaka-sad life for that Raging Potato boy.
Illusion.
Gugu now up with the Yasha. Delikado ang Mininki Dota dito mga kaibigan. Beastmaster. Ayan, tutulak na naman sila rito. Jakiro, Yules, may warding, Beastmaster. Oh no! Jesse Bash. Mahuhuli na naman si Bash dito mga kaibigan. And naku po, hindi normal sa mga killer crossover move. Oy, hindi nila po persahin ang issue. Instead, they will still go for that objective. AM now with a completed Battle Fury. Fury ka boy. Pero si Gyukul gumagawa ng paraan dito mga kaibigan. Dito sa bottom lane. Wala kayo dyan. Hindi pa pwede na ito ng top lane. Naku, Wind Ranger is here. Sigil will be deployed. Tingnan natin kung mag-a-apply ba ng pressure ang MVP knowing that the Juggernaut is in the bottom lane. Pero Juggernaut bigla na bumalik dito. Wind Ranger orb short of that Lincoln Spear na kailangan niya in order to be effective in this game since Doombringer is now up with the dagger in Shiba at siya ang priority target ng Doom dito. SNY wala for Juggernaut dito, hindi siya magmamanta. At si Jay, ang bombang nagngangalang Jay mga kaibigan, the Bomb Lord, ito na. Pumasok na sila sa Rosh Pit. Ang vision tingnan natin yung vision. Here is the vision of the Radiant side. So nag-gamer game the ultimate coming in from Dazzle. Trap will be deployed dito mga kaibigan. Here comes the charges. And Mineski, they want to go for this. Can they contest this? Ang ganda ng vision. Samantala, ito lang ang vision ng Mineski. Ito ang vision ng kalaban. Ang maganda rito is yung tombstone nakikita nila rito and they will just wait out yung tombstone dito. Power shot connecting on that Undying, and Undying is now low on HP. Another track coming in from Mr. Bash. Tingnan natin kung pupuwersa iba nila ang issue dito. Juggernaut
I'll take that as tribute.
may diskarte. So silipin natin muna ang vision dito para sa side
Radiant's
ng
middle tower is under attack.
natin. Mineski wala silang vision inside the Rosh Pit. Ayan, weave. Yun lang ang vision nila dito. Natin. Here comes the shards. Undying is very low on HP actually dito. At ito mga kaibigan, nagkakamanungan na. Manong Dota mga kaibigan, nagkakamanungan na rito. Oh my God, the Roshan is low on HP. Ano ang plano ng Mineski? Can they go for this? Tignan natin, nagpaplano sila ng masama pero masyado ng huli ang plano nila rito. Charge connecting. Delikado na naman mga kaibigan. Tignan natin dito, Tombstone will be pop. Oh no! Delikado dito. Oh my God. Oh my momay. Tingnan natin. Blinking coming in from Jay. Shackle shot connecting on that anti-mage. Here comes the shard. Tingnan natin kung makakapalo up. Naku po. Napalaban na si Bimbo. Si Bimboker dito. Febby is here. That mana point. That mana break. Doombringer. They will take down Jay as well. Oh my God. Beastmaster with the buyback. Anti-mage blinking into the top. Tingnan natin. Hindi siya abot. Happy bowlers. Hindi mo ako abot. Yeah. Bunel. and that is an Aegis completed on your anti-mage. Here comes the snowball. San punta? Tapon basura. Gulong balbon. In-uppercut sa mukha. Patay na ang Jakiro dito. Susubukan niya tumakbo. Baka ka-dagger out pa siya. Hindi! Oh no! You will go down, my friend! But the Aegis will be saved, and that is a total team wipe. MBV, mukhang masisweep nila ang naked Dota dito. Eto na sila, they mean business. They want to go for the GG push. Jesse Vash with the creeps, pero wala siyang kakampi for more than 20 seconds. And this might be the second set of rocks going in favor of MVP. There's the fortification. Jay will be alive soon, but mayroong Aegis dito. Si Phoebe. Nopi pa Nopi, mga kaibigan. In sad life, mga kaibigan, for Mineski Pangays. MVP dominating itong dinadomina itong Mininki Dota dito, and that is a full set of rocks dito naman sa top lane. So Mineski, here comes the Shaco shot connecting onto Phoebe. Trap Dota, tingnan natin, pero makunat na masyado, and Jay without that secondary source of damage, hindi niya kaya pumatay dito. Heart is completed on your anti-mage, and there is no way Mineski can kill this anti-mage and say goodbye to your items, my friends, because this might be the play, or this might be GG. Here comes anti-mage, they want to kill on Phoebe. Here comes Jakiro trying to go for the setup, mga kaibigan. Mana boy, purado ka potato man. Doom on QQ, and QQ will be Glimmer Cape out. EA going down as well. And that is a 2-4-1 trade in favor again of MBV. And 6-8 gold for Doombringer. What to buy? Buy a new house, a car.
Tis mine.
Dagger para kay Kuko dito. Pero malayo ang agwat ng iteman dito, mga kaibigan. Si Jay na walang malay, si Jay na wala ng item dito, mga kaibigan. Wala na siyang bibilang 6, 7, and 4 for Jay dito. Kuya Jay, Kuya QQ. Sinusubukan pang umi-split push dito. Beastmaster, meron siyang 2,300 gold. Pwede siya mag-dagger para dagdag initiation dito. AM is now 6 slotted AM, mga kaibigan. Napakayaman ng anti-mage. Pwede niya yung Aegis, mag-secondary item na siya dito.
Dire's bottom
Bimbo
tower
naman,
is under attack.
malayo pa sa pangarap niya na inaasiman na sila dito, mga kaibigan. Inaasim Dota na sila, samantala QQ gumagawa ng paraan dito sa top lane, ginagawa ng solusyon ng mga problema, and he's now pressuring this tier 2 tower in the top lane, pero wala pa kailan dyan ng MVP dahil they only need to push one more lane in order to achieve Megas. Pero tingnan natin kung kaya bang depensahan ng Mininki Dota. Samantala, ito na si QQ, mga kaibigan. Sinusubukan umi-split push dito, split push Dota. Ito na ang MVP, rumapa na sila rito. They will get that kill on that Dazzle. Tignan natin kung makakapag-snowball tatamaan dito. Dazzle na punta. Oh my god, and EA going down, and this might be the game buyback coming in from EA, but it will not do anything. At ubos ang Mininki Dota, mga kaibigan. Wala na pakialamanan dito si QQ. At isa lang tayo, okay yan. Ito na, no mega cream si Serene. Boom, shackle shot connecting. Pero wala Wasil Valdez dahil may Aegis of Immortality yan. And iba pala yung pinatay nila mo.
Radiant's top
Wind Ranger pala yun,
barracks
si
has
Wind
fallen.
Ranger ha. Si QQ, Yuyolo dito si QQ. Blade Fury out, aabutan kaya siya ng Doombringer dito. Tingnan natin kung anong plano niya dito. Tumatakbo, mga kaibigan. Run like a wind, bullseye. May dagger. Oh no! Oh no! The blocking is real! Op! Huli ka! Saan punta? Nakatakas, mga kaibigan. Mahusay, pero napatay na pala sila dito. Masyado maasip si Baby, mga kaibigan. Natali siya dito. Eto na si Gigabyte QQ. Op! Saan punta? Nako! Nakatakas! Mayday! Wala pala tatalian. Namimili ng punong tatalian. Wala siyang tatalian na puno rito. Jagger na tumaban. Lumaban na literal. And they will get a double kill. Pero wala. Mega. Naging gold force na ang base ng Mineski dito, mga kaibigan. pwede na lang itawag na GG. Malabo pa sa sabaw ng pusit. Sabi nga ng mga lumingkin spear pa. Patindi talaga si Jay dito. Jay Dotto mga kaibigan. And this now is the real defense of the ancient.
Dire's
Kailangan nila
middle
magtayo
tower
ng tower.
is under attack.
Meron sa mukha. Oh no, pinatay ng creeps. Napakasad. The saddest death ever. Pinatay ka ng creeps. Amazing. Amazing. Kuku going down. Kinain niya yung granada. Kumbaga kumain siya ng Necronomicon book. Sumabog yung necro sa mukha niya. Huwag kang ngunguya ng granada. Huwag mo pagkakamalang atis yan. Q. Pero Mineski, ewan ko bakit pero pinupusuan pa nila to, hina-heart pa nila mga kaibigan. Well, ang kailangan lang naman gawin dito ng MVP, dire-diretsuin sila. And still, MVP, medyo dominating performance dito, still going for that 4 strength lineup na kanina pa nila ginagawa at napakakunat nga nila, especially pagdating sa mga extended engagement. Uubusin talaga nila yung Minenki Dota dito. Ito na, nag-ultimate na. Oh no! Omni Slash siya! Oh, tignan natin. Inaabangan siya rito. And here comes the roar, the doom, the shackle shot is here. Here comes the snowball walrus punching and the Doombringer. Naipit siya rito, pero binabare na siya. Kaso sobrang kunat niya. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Naku po, aray ko ba? Ito na ang anti-mage. And that is Wa. Sabi na lang ni Kuku. Wa na lang ang nasabi niya. Wa, I love you, goodbye. And GG call by Mineski. And they will go to sorry para sa MVP dito. At napakalungkot ng mga players nyo. So yan ang ating laban para sa araw na to. Babalik kami ulit para sa mga